Bitcoin is exactly pumping towards the upside like I've been predicting, and on today's update video I will be of course talking about my most important price targets. I will talk about why Bitcoin is exactly pumping right now and what is exactly happening in the background. Of course I will be talking about the most important resistance targets and many more important targets I will be discussing on today's update video. So without any further ado, don't forget to once again slap on that like button back above 700 likes. It will be highly appreciated. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. So first of all, I need to discuss the imminent short term, and yes, ever since this buy signal has flashed on this indicator, we have seen Bitcoin going significantly towards the upside. And yes, while we've been discussing this buy signal before, we've also saw that Bitcoin is of course breaking the downward sloping resistance line or breaking out of the symmetrical triangle. We've discussed it many times on the channel, and I discussed it also in yesterday's video that indeed we did saw the confirmation of a breakout towards the upside. And the price target I'm currently aiming for is of course, first of all, the target sitting around 71.4k, which is of course the previous range high in the market. So currently we are slowly approaching this range here, and honestly I do expect that there's going to be big resistance going to get found for Bitcoin around this level. So I don't think that Bitcoin is going to be easily breaking above it. But however, the price target of this breakout of the symmetrical triangle is laying somewhere around 74 to 73,000 US dollars. So I still believe that we are having some upside to go towards the upside before Bitcoin is going to be topping out here. And if Bitcoin breaks above this dotted line right here, the next target for me is going to be that 74 to 73,000 US dollar level of resistance, which is also exactly around that previous all-time high. But one of the reasons why Bitcoin has seen this significant pump towards the upside is due to the fact that yesterday we had an $886 million spot Bitcoin ETF buy here, and this is quite massive. Just for example, this is the total spot ETF cumulative flow chart. You can see that we have seen a significant jump, and to be exact, yesterday we saw the second largest inflow ever recorded on the spot Bitcoin ETF. So I want to take these signals very seriously, and the last time that Bitcoin of course had such a big inflow, Bitcoin pumped from $69,000 all the way up to 74,000 US dollars as well. So pretty interesting to see what currently is playing out here. And I think that the main reason why we are currently seeing this pump towards the upside is due to the fact that there are millions of dollars getting bought by these spot ETF issuers. And that is of course an overall very good thing for the market. I mean, one very slight little downside, and that is that we are creating a massive downward sloping resistance line. And the massive downward sloping resistance line I want to be talking about is this one here on the 12-hour time frame. From the previous all-time high all the way down, we have seen multiple rejections, to be exact 3 in a row. And currently we are retesting this exact level again. And if we can break above this level, honestly, it would also confirm that Bitcoin is just going to be pushing up towards new all-time highs, because this looks to be one of the most clearest resistance levels out there. And on the daily time frame as well, if you're approaching it, it's clear that it is not only 12-hour resistance, but also clearly daily resistance. So Bitcoin is creating a massive downward sloping resistance line. And if we manage to be breaking above this high right here, I think that we're probably going to be getting some very explosive price action. So we want to be seeing Bitcoin closing the daily candle close above this level right here. And if we do so, we're going to be seeing an even bigger continuation. But just like I said already, I think that, like you can see right here, below all-time highs and around all-time highs, I should say. And it is just moments right now before we're going to be seeing that big continuation towards the upside, because what we're currently literally creating is a massive daily inverse head and shoulders pattern, where we first of course create that left shoulder where we're creating a low, then we created an even lower low and we create the head on the chart, and then we had a significant bounce towards the upside, created the right shoulder, and now just moments before we're retesting this level again here, guys, if we break above the neckline right here, we're going to be having an insane price target, because let me quickly discuss the price target if we do see the confirmed breakout of this level. So if we confirm the break above this range right here, the price target for Bitcoin is laying around 90,000 US dollars, which is an insane target if you would ask me here. So the Bitcoin inverse head and shoulders pattern is about to be breaking out, and the price target is laying around 90,000 US dollars. So yeah, pretty interesting. And of course, that is also why I think that this level that we're currently approaching, the 72,000 US dollars, is going to be a critical level to be breaking above of. It's not going to be an easy level to be breaking above of, but once we do break above this region, we are going to be seeing massive upside getting created for Bitcoin. And while all this is happening, guys, I still want to be pointing out, I've been calling for these highs for a very long time right now here. I mean, I put my money where my mouth is because I am currently still long on Bitcoin. And yes, guys, if you want to be trading yourself, check it out in the link description of today's video. But I'm currently at $190,000 in profit. And whenever my trade is going to be hitting 200K in profit, I will be taking 20K off the table, and I'm going to be doing a 20K giveaway to one of my loyal followers. So make sure to follow me on Twitter, make sure to follow me on YouTube, because we're going to be doing some very big giveaways anytime soon here. And if you're interested in trading, just like I am currently doing, don't forget to check it out in the link description of today's video, because if you press this link right here, you sign up an account using the link below, deposit $100 in your first 7 days, you can claim a free $200 trade on Bybit, which you can claim in Bitcoin or Ethereum. So if you're interested, check it out in the link description of today's video. But just like I've been saying for quite a while right now here, Bitcoin will always follow the liquidity. And currently, the majority of the liquidity is still being built up above us. And to be exact, around 74 to 72,000 US dollars, there's an about $7 billion worth of Bitcoin short liquidations laying. And if we're going to be touching that level, we're going to be squeezing out all those short positions, which is going to cause an even bigger spike towards the upside. But more importantly, that is going to be one of the reasons why Bitcoin is going to get attracted towards those highs in this region. And my take profit for this trade is around 73.8K. At that point, I would have made like 250K, 240K in profit. I would take my profit and of course look towards the next opportunity, because I do believe Bitcoin ultimately is going to be going higher. But at some point, if you're in a big trade and if you are in the highest parcel of risk, you want to be taking profits on your trade and just look at the next opportunity, because otherwise you're going to continue to pay funding, and maybe at the end stage you're not going to be taking any profits at all. So I will be taking some profits around $74,000, locking the profits and look in towards the next trading opportunity. And also on the bigger time frame, Bitcoin is currently breaking out of the descending broadening wedge here, which is an extremely bullish pattern here. And this consolidation phase looks to be ending right now here. And if we confirm the break above the red box, which I've always said, then the continuation is really going to take place here. And the continuation, guys, it is going to be taking place towards $100,000 and beyond, because the price target of this exponential move right here is laying far above $100,000, which is getting myself extremely excited. Also, the bull flag pattern is breaking out and starting to see the first continuation upwards. And really, if we're looking at history, it makes all too much sense that we are about to be getting an enormous move towards the upside for Bitcoin. If we're going to be looking at history, and if it's any indication at all, we do know that after the halving, the most gains always come. And it usually takes around 10 weeks after the halving. And right now, we're still a little bit early, but we are at that stage right now where we can start to see big moves are going to be happening. So let's see how it's going to be playing out here. I am very, very excited, and I do believe that we are in the beginning stage of a new bull market for Bitcoin. Things are looking good. Also, the spot Bitcoin ETF, they're buying loads and loads of Bitcoin again here, to be exact, the second largest ever inflow recorded. This is not something you should be fading. This is real data that big companies are currently buying Bitcoin. So please do not get fooled right now here. But anyways, this was it for me in today's update video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.